tech world is moving at breakneck speed, and we have the biggest headlines you need to know right now. First up, LTM is making massive waves in the industry, as the company just bagged 2 prestigious Google Cloud Partner of the Year awards. The tech giant was recognized for its incredible work in media and entertainment and infrastructure modernization at scale. By leveraging Google BigQuery and AI-driven approaches, LTM is completely transforming how global enterprises handle their data infrastructure and ERP systems.
Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Next, we are looking at a major power play from Vodafone Business, which has just launched a suite of new AI and cybersecurity solutions in partnership with Google Cloud. Designed specifically to accelerate digital transformation for small and medium-sized businesses, this rollout features a new managed detection and response service to fight off sophisticated cyber threats. Plus, they are introducing the Vodafone Business AI Concierge built with Gemini, a cutting-edge tool that lets businesses handle customer inquiries autonomously and never miss a lead again. Then there is the staggering digital evolution happening over at Tata Steel. The industrial powerhouse has successfully deployed over 300 specialized AI agents in just 9 months, setting a new benchmark for autonomous operations. Using Google Cloud's unified technology stack, Tata Steel is using tools like Zen AI and the Tata Steel Digital Assistant to streamline everything from HR help desks to safety monitoring on the shop floor with their Safety IQ system. It is a masterclass in how to turn complex industrial data into a serious competitive edge. Finally, legal trouble is brewing for the tech giant Microsoft, which now must face a massive $2.8 billion lawsuit in the UK. A London tribunal has officially certified the case, which alleges that Microsoft overcharged thousands of British businesses by manipulating licensing costs for Windows Server on rival cloud platforms like Amazon AWS and Google Cloud. With regulators across the globe closely watching these licensing practices, this trial is set to be a landmark moment for competition in the cloud market. Make sure you stay ahead of the curve by hitting that subscribe button and turning on the notification bell for all our latest updates. Ever wonder what it takes to actually scale innovation for the world's biggest giants? Well, LTM, formerly known as LTI-Mindtree, is currently proving that they have the blueprint. The tech arm of the Larsen & Toubro Group just snagged 2 massive Google Cloud Partner of the Year awards for 2026, and honestly, the work they're doing is a masterclass in digital transformation. First, they totally revamped a global media company's data infrastructure using BigQuery, which essentially turned sluggish, outdated pipelines into a lightning-fast, AI-ready powerhouse. Then, they tackled the notoriously complex world of healthcare, overhauling ERP systems for a North American firm to create a foundation that is not just faster, but genuinely scalable. LTM's CEO Venu Lambu believes these wins prove their ability to marry AI-driven strategy with deep cloud expertise, and Google Cloud's leadership seems to agree, publicly shouting them out for driving real, measurable customer outcomes. Now, the market reaction has been a bit of a mixed bag, with shares trading down around 2% recently, and the stock facing a rough year-to-date stretch. It's clear that investors are looking for more than just awards to get that momentum back. Still, with over 87,000 employees across 40 countries and a market cap hovering around 1.38 lakh crore, this is a company that isn't just playing the game, it is building the stadium. So, what do you think? Are these awards the turning point LTM needs to bounce back? Or is the market right to remain cautious? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button if you enjoyed the breakdown, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the companies shaping our future. Remember, in the world of tech, it isn't just about the code you write, it's about the problems you solve. Ever felt like small business owners have to be superhuman just to keep the lights on? Between dodging cyber attacks and answering endless customer inquiries, the struggle is real. But things are about to change. Vodafone Business and Google Cloud are joining forces to drop 2 game-changing solutions that could fundamentally shift how small and medium-sized businesses operate. First up is a sophisticated managed detection and response service powered by Google's Security Ops. Think of this as your business's digital bodyguard, using AI-driven threat intelligence to stop cyber threats before they even hit your network. It's launching in Germany first, with plans to scale across Europe, proving that world-class security doesn't have to be exclusive to giant corporations. But the real headline grabber, that is the new AI concierge. Built on Google's Gemini platform, this isn't just a chatbot. It's an autonomous, multimodal agent that can handle voice calls and data, effectively acting as a 24/7 staff member. Imagine never missing a customer lead or a booking again, even when you're off the clock. By delegating these repetitive tasks to AI, business owners can finally focus on what actually drives growth. This move is a massive milestone in their 10-year, billion-dollar partnership, proving that when you combine telecom infrastructure with cutting-edge AI, you don't just upgrade technology, you level the playing field. What do you think? Is this the future of customer service, or are we moving too fast with AI agents? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates on the tech shaping our daily lives. At the end of the day, technology should work for us, not the other way around. What if your company didn't just use AI, but actually became an AI-driven machine? Forget the hype for a second. Look at Tata Steel. In just 9 months, they've deployed over 300 specialized AI agents. That's not a test run, that's a total industrial revolution. Teaming up with Google Cloud, Tata Steel has turned their massive, complex global operations into a playground for agentic AI. It's an incredible shift from treating AI as a tech experiment to making it a silent, hyper-efficient partner for every single employee. Think about the scale. They aren't just automating emails. They are predicting maintenance, smoothing out supply chains, and slashing response times by half. And the secret sauce, it's their Zen AI platform. They've democratized innovation by letting non-tech employees build and deploy their own AI tools. Suddenly, the people on the front lines, the ones who actually know the business, are the ones building the solutions. But wait, it gets even more intense. They've created the Tata Steel Digital Assistant, a command center that pulls data from everywhere. Internal records, global market shifts, even call recordings and PDFs. It's effectively giving employees a superpower to navigate market volatility in real time. And let's talk about the shop floor. With tools like Safety IQ, they're using real-time video analysis to spot hazards before they happen. This is AI as a proactive guardian, not just a desk worker. Whether it's handling HR tickets or managing high-risk manufacturing zones, Tata Steel has moved from fragmented data to a unified engine of execution. It proves that the future of industry isn't just about having data. It's about having the right AI agents to make that data act instantly. So, as we watch companies everywhere scramble to figure out their AI strategy, Tata Steel has already laid out the blueprint. Are you just watching the AI wave, or is your organization building the engine to ride it? Hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the tech reshaping our world, and let me know in the comments. If you could build one specialized AI agent for your own life or work, what would it actually do? Imagine you are a small business owner trying to scale up, only to find out you are being funneled into a specific cloud provider just because the software you need costs significantly more everywhere else. That is the heart of a massive new legal headache for Microsoft. A London tribunal has officially greenlit a $2.8 billion lawsuit, and the implications for the tech industry could be seismic. The case, brought by competition lawyer Maria Louisa Stassi on behalf of nearly 60,000 British businesses, centers on a simple but heavy accusation. Microsoft is essentially using its Windows Server software as a weapon to maintain market dominance for its own cloud platform, Azure. The logic here is pretty straightforward. If you run Windows Server on Amazon Web Services or Google Cloud, you are hit with higher prices compared to someone using Azure. Those costs get passed right down the line, essentially creating a Microsoft tax for anyone who dares to pick a competitor. It is a classic move, but one that is increasingly catching the eyes of regulators across the globe. Microsoft, naturally, is pushing back hard. They argue that their integrated model actually fosters competition and that this lawsuit lacks a clear method for calculating damages. they are planning to appeal, promising that this is far from a settled matter. But here is the deeper context. This is not an isolated incident. The UK's Competition and Markets Authority has been breathing down Microsoft's neck, recently noting that these specific licensing practices are materially disadvantaging giants like AWS and Google. When the world's biggest tech players are being hauled into court over how they manipulate the cloud ecosystem, it signals that the era of anything goes in cloud dominance is drawing to a close. Whether this leads to a massive payout or a fundamental shift in how software is licensed, the outcome of this trial will force every major tech firm to rethink their competitive strategies. If you found this update on the battle for the cloud interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech stories shaping our world. After all, in a digital landscape dominated by a few giants, knowledge is the only tool that keeps the market fair for the rest of us.